Hello viewers, I am showcasing the Superstore data analysis dashboard created on Power BI. The tool used for data cleaning are Power Query, Excel and PowerPoint for dashboard designing. The data used for the dashboard is from the USA Superstore. I have utilized DAX for finding many key metrics which you can see in the cars visual on the report pages. I have used filters so the user can check details more deeply according to his her convenience. I am on the home page, or you can say navigation page. The button used for report pages, and at the bottom I have buttons which will take you to the data source, my LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, Navi Pro profile and YouTube channel where you are viewing this video. The dashboard link is in the description and comment. You can copy it and paste it into your web browser to check out the dashboard. Let's first check out the overview report. Here I have used field parameter for showing two major categories: segment and category, and they have three subcategories. Here at the top we have key metrics. From filters we can select the values which we want to check details respectively. The charts show how subcategories are performing, or you can say how much they are useful to the category or segment based on the business metrics. Sales summary shows how the sales performs year by year. Now we are checking for category. We have three subcategories: office supplies, furniture, technology. Now let's check out the data summary report. We have 21 columns, so we have many factors and data to work on. Here we can see the key informations. The sales growth shows nothing here compare because we don't want the aggregation for all years as it will be incorrect, and we don't have data for 2013 to compare with 2014. If we check cities, there are 531 cities from 2014 to 2017, but we don't have data for each city for every year. That's why to show this I have used a tooltip. Here you can see the data for which year, for which city is present. Time analysis report page. The time analysis report page has all the years, months and day-wise information for all the important key metrics. These are our key metrics created using fill parameter. Here we have key metrics which are created using a fill parameter. We can check details for all key metrics with the time. Total sales by day name. Visual shows on which days we have high sales. It is clearly evident that before the start and after the end of the weekend the sales are high. So if we have to give a holiday to work or do any work related to the superstore, the best time days are Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Person grand total sales by week status. It is showing that nearly 33% of sales are done on the weekend, which is just 2 days. The most discount offer months are between September to December, and these are the same months where we have the most order count. Again, we have different filters from which we can check details more deeply. We can check data for only 2014 year, or we can check data based on any region. Here we can clear the selected page. Let's move to region. The region report shows the visual based on the regions. Let's focus on regional profit breakdown by subcategories. It shows which subcategory has negative profit highlighted in red color. Postal code by region shows the distinct count of postal codes the customer belongs to. Here we have a USA map in which we have used the green color palette to show low to high values. If we change the matrix, it will change. Here we can see profit margin by region and category, which subcategory is more profitable based on the region. Let's move to details. The detail, the details button takes you to the details by state and cities. You can check further details using filters, or we can use cross filtering. It shows that we have selected one state, which is Michigan. It has 21 cities and there is no loss making city. Let's select Texas. So Texas has 54 cities, a loss making state. Loss making cities that are 36 and profitable cities are 80. Now let's move to the product report. The product report shows the details about all the product based on category, segment and subcategories. Here we have found the loss making product using DAX. The products which have negative profit and average discount is less than 30%. If we are offering high discount and getting negative profit, by reducing the discount percentage they can be profitable, but we have less discount and negative profit, so there is very little chance of making them more profitable. But we have to also consider product based on subcategory and region also. The scatter plot showing this. On the table there are 23 products which are loss making. So in this way we can check the number of products based on subcategory, how many products are total products and how many products are loss making product. In copier we don't have any loss making. Product summary. The product summary shows the product details. with product name, the total quantity, total sales, total profit margin. And here is the list of all the products which are loss making products. Product discount frequency shows the product which have given more times discount. Product performance shows a scatter plot, the product with negative profit and average discount, which is less than 30 or equal to 30, and the white dotted line shows the 30% discount line. Now let's move to the customer report. Here we have details based on customer, distinct customer, average sales per day, etc. Customer order count analysis shows total customer count. Sorry, customer order count analysis shows the customer name with the number of times he had ordered. Yearly customer count shows the total customer count. Here we can see there are total 1993 customers in 2014, out of which 595 customers are distinct customer. Here we have can't check new customers which are not in previous year because we don't have data for 2013, but we can based on 2014 data we can check for 2015. Here we can see there are total 2102 customers, 573 are the distinct customer, and out of it 136 are new customer which are not present in the year 2015. Similarly, we can check for 2016 and 2017. Using cross filtering, we can see what the customers have ordered. These are the list of items the customer has given the orders. Shopping report has the details based on shipping mode and shipping time. The stacked bar shows the details which shipping mode is used for category/segment based on key metrics. The scatter plot shows that when the sum of sales and the total quantity increases, which shipping mode is preferred is more. It is clearly evident that the sales cost and quantity are higher, then standard glass is preferred by customer for shipping. The 100% stacked bar shows which shipping mode and type is used based on the region wise. In chart, product count by shipping days and shipping mode shows which shipping mode takes the time to deliver product, and also give the count of product based on the day and shipping mode. Here 0 means delivery on the same day. Here at shipping day 1, we can see we have some entries of the same day. This is because the delivery is done within 24 hours, but the date of the order and shipping is different. Let's go back to the home page. The dashboard link is in the description and comment. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Thank you.